The SUV market is in absolute chaos right now. Consumer Reports just dropped their latest reliability data, and the gap between a vehicle that lasts a decade and one that destroys your bank account is massive. Some of these will sail past 200,000 miles on routine maintenance alone. Others are designed to look great on the lot, then fall apart the second the warranty expires. I filtered out the junk to find the 9 SUVs that are actually built to last. Stick around for number 1, because it's actually not the one you expect. Starting at 9 is the Nissan Pathfinder. I know what you are thinking. Nissan and bulletproof do not usually go in the same sentence. But here is the twist. They finally killed the CVT. The Pathfinder now uses a rugged 9-speed automatic paired with a naturally aspirated V6. No turbos to fail, no rubber band transmission issues. It is essentially a throwback to when SUVs were built to work. Here is why that matters. Most 3-row SUVs become expensive to maintain after 60 to 80,000 miles. This one is built to avoid that. J.D. Power is already seeing a spike in reliability scores because of this. The interior quality and cabin space have also seen a massive jump. You get easy third-row access, which is a rare find in this class. If you want a family SUV that won't feel like a ticking time bomb, this is the dark horse. At number 8 is the Kia Telluride. A model no one expected to be this dominant. Most brands struggle to keep a new platform reliable, but Kia has kept this 3.8-liter V6 consistent for years. Consumer Reports gives it a massive 92 out of 100 in road tests, but the reliability is where it shines. Because they are not changing the engine every 2 years, the bugs are mostly gone. Beyond the engine, you are getting a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That is industry-leading. The interior feels genuinely premium, with a cabin that rivals European luxury brands for comfort. It is incredibly spacious and practical for families with plenty of luggage space, even with the third row up. It is a massive, comfortable lounge on wheels that handles high mileage better than almost anything in its price bracket. Now let's move on to real luxury territory. The next model on this list saved an entire brand from its downfall. At 7, we have the Acura MDX, the SUV that shocked everyone. For years, Acura had been stagnating. Then the new MDX came along and turned things around. RepairPal ranks it with a 4 out of 5 for reliability. Average annual repair costs are nearly $250 less than the industry average for luxury SUVs. The secret? It shares its DNA with the Honda Pilot. But it feels like a completely different vehicle. Acura reworked the suspension geometry for sharper handling and added better sound insulation. The cabin is exceptionally quiet. Under the hood, you get a proven 3.5-liter V6 that mechanics actually know how to fix, and a 3-liter turbo V6 for the sportier Type S. Acura also backs it with a 6-year, 70,000-mile powertrain warranty. That is a sign of confidence, not damage control. If you want a luxury SUV that blends comfort and performance without expensive maintenance, the MDX is a strong choice. Next up at 6 is the Subaru Forester. This SUV was recently named Car of the Year in Japan, which is not a small feat. While others chase small turbo engines pushed to their limits, Subaru sticks with a proven 2.5-liter boxer engine. It delivers 182 horsepower without any drama. The boxer layout lowers the center of gravity. That means more stability and better control on the road. Subaru was recently named the best car brand by Consumer Reports, and the Forester is their golden child. But here's why I like it even more. Unlike many SUVs that market all-wheel drive as a pricey option, Subaru makes it standard. This is a symmetrical all-wheel drive system that has been refined for decades. It also offers best-in-class outward visibility, so you actually see what is around you. The new chassis is 80% more rigid than before, which kills vibrations and makes long trips much more comfortable. There is even a wilderness version if you want to get serious about off-roading. The Forester boasts high resale value and incredibly low depreciation. It is predictable, it is safe, it is built for owners who plan on keeping their cars for 15 years. Number 5 is a beast, the Lexus GX. This is a land yacht built on a truck frame. But here's what most people miss. It is a Land Cruiser underneath. Lexus topped J.D. Power's dependability rankings for the 4th year in a row. The GX is a huge reason why. Lexus ditched the old V8 for a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6. That means more power and better gas mileage without sacrificing the ruggedness. This SUV has a market day supply of just 34 days. That means dealers are moving thousands of units almost as fast as they arrive. The body-on-frame chassis and full-time four-wheel drive give it genuine off-road capabilities. It is one of the few luxury SUVs that can back up its tough looks with performance. Built exclusively at the prestigious Tahara plant in Japan, it benefits from some of the best manufacturing in the world. Lexus over-engineers their cooling systems to a level other brands will not touch. So even with the new turbos, reliability isn't sacrificed. It is a vehicle you can literally leave to your kids in your will. And if you thought that was impressive, the next one is a 3-row SUV that should not be this reliable. At number 4, we have the Toyota Highlander. Most people know 3-row SUVs are not usually the most reliable. More weight means more stress on the drivetrain. But Toyota solved that in a very smart way. They took the proven hybrid systems from the Prius and Camry and simply scaled them up. No engineering risks, just proven components assembled with obsessive precision. The result is remarkable. Over 5 years into this generation, there is still no significant pattern of failure. Consumer Reports ranks the Highlander among the most dependable mid-size family SUVs. While many rivals lose half their value in 3 years, this one retains roughly 70%. Although the V6 is gone, the new 4-cylinder engines delivers a smooth and relaxed driving experience. What's even more impressive is the fuel economy. You get 35 miles per gallon while seating 8 and towing 5,000 pounds. It is the kind of SUV you buy and keep for 15 years without drama. The ultimate family hauler for people who hate surprises down the road. Entering the top 3 is the Mazda CX-5. This is arguably the best-kept secret in the industry. It proves that reliability does not have to be boring. RepairPal lists its annual maintenance at just $447. That is better than most small sedans. Mazda avoids the headaches of premium ownership by sticking to what works. The 2.5-liter Skyactiv engine is conservative engineering done right. No complex CVTs or tiny, stressed-out turbo engines here, just a proven powertrain that works. The design combines elegance with power, giving it a sporty, premium presence that makes you want to drive it at the first glance. The cabin quality feels closer to a Lexus than to its direct competitors. You get physical buttons where they should be and high-quality materials. It also comes with a predictive AWD system as standard across all trims, which reads the road hundreds of times per second to send power before you lose traction. The CX-5 is one of the few SUVs that prioritizes driving dynamics, with a communicative steering and immediate throttle response. It is a premium experience with budget maintenance costs. If you want a car that feels like a BMW but costs like a Toyota to own, this is it. At number 2, we have the king of the sales charts, the Toyota RAV4. It's been the best-selling SUV in America for years, and for a good reason. It does everything well and almost nothing wrong. It's a safe bet that millions of buyers get right year after year. The hybrid battery warranty now covers you for 10 years or 150,000 miles. Think about it. They would not offer that if they expected to pay out. It uses the proven hybrid synergy drive architecture, which is about as durable as it gets. On the inside, the RAV4 takes a no-nonsense approach. No fancy features that break within a year. Just a practical interior built for long-term durability. It's no surprise the RAV4 holds its value extremely well, retaining over 70% even after 5 years, making it a smart financial choice. You get the resale value of a gold bar and the reliability of a hammer. It is almost impossible to beat. The Toyota RAV4 may not be the flashiest SUV that turns heads, but it quietly racks up thousands of miles year after year with minimal maintenance and very few surprises down the road. Finally, at number 1 is the Honda CR-V. While the RAV4 is legendary, the CR-V just edged it out this year. Why? Because the new RAV4 is a total redesign. The first year of a redesign always has new car jitters. The CR-V, however, is at the sweet spot of its generation. All the software bugs are fixed. Honda has been perfecting their hybrid technology for decades, and the eCVT is known for being smooth and trouble-free. RepairPal gives it an excellent 4.5 out of 5 for reliability. The hybrid version produces 204 horsepower and returns close to 40 miles per gallon. It also boasts some of the lowest insurance premiums, which translates to real savings every month. The interior is spacious, with durable materials that hold up well over time. It offers a smoother ride and more comfortable cabin than most of its rivals. Maintenance costs are some of the lowest in its class. At the end of the day, the CR-V proves that the perfect SUV is the one that quietly delivers on everything that matters. Buying an SUV should not be a gamble. It is a decision that will affect your day-to-day life. Whether you want the ruggedness of an off-roader or the efficiency of a hybrid, these 9 are the ones that are actually worth your money. Choosing a reliable model means peace of mind and thousands saved in the long run. An unreliable SUV, on the other hand, will drain your money and time. Remember that maintenance is the lifeblood of any vehicle. Even the most bulletproof SUV will fail if you ignore it. If you are currently driving one of these, let me know in the comments how many miles you have hit. Share your ownership experience so that others can avoid the mistakes you had. Like this video and do not forget to hit subscribe so you do not miss the video coming next week. I will see you in the next one.